There he goes, there he goes. Straight, straight, straight. Oh, I win. Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to Patmax Adventures, and today I'm checking out Nexon Museum, which is the computers museum here on Jeju Island. So let's check it out. Wow, look at all these older computers. Very cool. This was definitely before my day. Oh my god, check this computer out. This was my first Apple computer ever. I think I was like 13 years old. Yeah, this brings back some good memories. I remember I had it in a teal green. Here are some ancient cell phones. I remember in the early 2000s, I had a cell phone just like this, and it was all about that double texting where you'd have to hit like one number for 4 letters. So check out this touch screen. So you put the square here in the middle. Okay, then these come up. Say, for example, you can grab it, move it along. If you want to make it bigger, smaller, and you can move it all around the surface here. So I'm gonna make it smaller and put it back. Oh gosh, look at these old floppy disks and CDs. I still have a lot of these CDs. How many of you guys still have like a folder of CDs of music? I still do, even in 2016. Oh my gosh, check out these games. This game right here, Tatsujin. I remember I used to play this all the time when I was a kid. Sega! Check out the keyboards of the world. Here you go, Japanese, Taiwanese, Russian, Belgian, Korean, and Arabic. Okay guys, so this is a maze escape. So you have X and Y. So if I hit the Y, you can see, oh, I died already. So I hit X here. There he goes, there he goes. Straight, straight, straight. Oh, I win. Okay, so the way this game works is you attach this electric part here to one of these up, down, left, right bomb, and then the other finger hits this one, and then it'll make it go. Pretty interesting. So right here, guys, you can see this is a 3D printer, which is definitely becoming more mainstream these days. Eventually, we're gonna be able to 3D make anything. This will be very cool. You can see those little Lego guys. Right now I'm about to head into the crazy arcade, so let's check it out. I just ordered lunch, but you can also order a keyboard, which is full of sugar and ice cream. Looks delicious, but a little too much for me. So this is the lunch area or food area, and look at the wall. The wall is like computer encryptions, encoding. It's pretty cool. It gives it a very futuristic feel in here. And this one is really cool. So what you do is you stand right here. So I'm gonna put my feet here, right? Now, I'm on the screen, you can see me right there. If I put my arm out, you can see the character's arm goes out. Okay guys, check this out. This frog is copying my mouth movements. Very cool. This is the virtual reality. There's a headset, another head one. There's a hand device right there. A few other devices here. And look at this last one. It's like you control it with your brain or something. Or brain signals. Pretty interesting. So you guys could see back there was the virtual reality. It's pretty cool. I didn't do it today because the line's pretty long, but it looks like a lot of fun. Alright guys, so that was the Nexon Museum, the computer museum here on Jeju Island. It's definitely worth checking out if you have time while you're cruising around the island. So thanks again for watching guys, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye.